Hi friends, welcome to Erguti Brothers. Today we will discuss about periodic table. Okay, what is meant by periodic table? It is the periodic classification of elements which is easy for classifying the elements. Suppose there are so many elements like carbon, sodium, californium that like. In these elements have different properties. It is difficult to remember that properties for every element. So the scientists they think and find this after so many attempts found this the periodic table. In this periodic table, the scientists made this as totally 7 periods and the 18 groups. These vertical columns is known as periods, and this horizontal rows is known as groups. Okay, there are seven. Okay, there are seven periods and 18 groups. Okay, now we will discuss what is the representation of element. First, suppose this is an element. We take this carbon. This is the carbon. In this place, the element name or symbol first kept symbol. Suppose symbol is X. Then in the left side, upper left side of an element, we have to keep the atomic number. Atomic number symbol is Z. And the lower right side, we have to keep the atomic mass. Atomic mass means A. In this down element name, that means so for example element name, and it 12.01. This is mass number. Okay, this is the representation of element in a periodic table. In this way, every element atomic number, symbol, name and atomic mass have represented. In some periodic tables in below here, they also represent electronic configuration also. So now you know that the representation of a element. Then now see the periodic table. In this periodic table, it is very nice to see. Okay, in first group, what are the elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. For how to identify that, for all the elements in this first group have valency 1. Valency is 1. In this way, if the valency is same, their chemical properties also same. Chemical and physical properties also same. In this way, all the elements belongs to first A group are similar in properties because their valence electron configuration is same. The general configuration of this 1A group is NS1. This is 1A group. 1A group also known as alkali metals. Alkali metals. Now this is known as first A group. First A group. Okay, now we see the second A group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. In this alkali earth metals, they are known as alkali earth metals. All the elements present in this second group have the valency is equal to 2. So they have the similar properties because their valence electronic configuration is same. The general configuration is NS2. For the beryllium, the configuration is valence configuration is 2s2. Magnesium 3s2, calcium 4s2, barium 5s2, radium 6s2. That like we have to do the general configurations. In this way, for all the groups and periods have separate. In groups, all the elements have same properties, and the valence electronic configuration, general electronic configuration is same for all the elements in the groups. Okay, there are 18 groups, you know. Now we discuss about periods. In periods, first period 2 elements, second period have first period have 2 elements, second period 8, third period also 8, fourth and fifth period 18 elements, sixth period 32 elements, sixth period have 32 elements, sixth period have 32 elements, and the seventh period is known as the incomplete period, because the elements which are newly discovered is all the elements is fitted into the seventh period only. Okay, so the seventh period is known as incomplete period. Up to now the seventh period contains 32 elements. The longest period is sixth period. Shortest period is first period. Okay, in these periods all the electrons enters into the same cell. For hydrogen, configuration is 1s1, helium 1s2. Both electrons enter into first cell only. So they enters into first cell, it is known as first period. All the elements in the first period, the valence electron contains in the first cell only. In second period, lithium configuration is 2,1, beryllium configuration is 2,2. This like so on. The last element, neon configuration is 2,8. All these have two cells. So they have 2 cells maximum. So they are called the second period. All the elements present in the second period contains the 2 cells in their total atomic structure. In third one also 3 cells. That like in seventh period there are 7 cells. So it contains seventh period. Now we discuss about what are lanthanides. What is this extra table? Below this the periodic table. Okay, it is belongs to the third B group. This third B group contains in the D block. Now we have to discuss about what are the blocks. This is S block. This is D block, P block and F block. The total periodic table was divided into 4 blocks. S block means the last electron enters into the S block only. S cell, NS, the general configuration is NS122. For D block, the last electron enters into the D block, N-1 into D, out NS, D1 to 10, NS1 to 2. For F block, the last electron enters into the F subcell. So the general configuration is N-2, F1 to 14, D, N-1 into D, 1 to 2, and the NS1 to 2. This is the general configuration of F block. For P block, NS1 to 2, NP 1 to 6. For these noble gases, the general configuration is NS2 NP6. Okay, now we discuss about what are lanthanides. Okay, what are lanthanides? These lanthanides belongs to D block and it belongs to third B group. Why it is first one known as lanthanides and actinides? What is meant by lanthanides? How does the name lanthanides was come? The lanthanum belongs to D block only on 3B group, but in some periodic tables lanthanum is given in the F block. Really, actually, the lanthanum belongs to D block only. All the elements after lanthanum up to lutetium, they source or they have identity properties like lanthanum. All the properties are matching like lanthanum. So all the series is known as lanthanide series. For actinide also same nature. From actinide to lawrencium, all the elements have the same properties as actinide. So they are known as actinide series. Okay, this is the brief explanation of the periodic table of n elements. Okay, thanks for watching this video. There are nearly 91 metals and 24 non-metals that like. Okay, thanks for watching this.